Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Good morning. Today our topic is very important topic which we use in our day-to-day life. That is invitation and reply to invitation. We send the invitation to somebody and they receive our invitation, and it is moral duty, not in our Kashmir, but in other foreign countries, they reply that will they invite the invitation or not, so that the host will do the things accordingly. Is it clear to you? It is known to you that how much wastage is done upon our weddings, because we are not aware that how many guests will come to our party. We did there approximately 100, 200 guests, 500 guests, there comes only 50 guests. For example, this is invitations and that is reply to invitations. There is as I always say to you that when we invite somebody, or we can say that I always say to you that this invitation is also a type of communication. We communicate our relatives, we communicate our friends, we communicate our boss, our subordinates, that for invitation. As I always say to you that we communicate in two ways, that is formal and informal. Formal and we have done everywhere. Formal letter, informal letter. Formal report, informal report. Formal presentation, informal presentation. That is the same is applied here, formal and informal. Is it clear to you? Formal is known to you that where we have to do the formalities. Where we have to do the formalities. That is formal. And informal is that where we have not to fulfill the formalities, that is where there are our nears and dears, our youngsters. And in case of formal, there we have to fulfill some formalities. There comes our elders, our bosses. Is it clear to you? Where we have to respect them. Is clear? Is it clear? Please reply. Not clear? Very good. Very good. Very good. Today I am happy. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. That is, I told you that invitation is of two types. Invitation is of two types. Number one is formal. Number second is informal. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please reply. Is it clear? That is invitation is of formal and informal. In case of formal, we have to do the formalities. We have to do some formalities in proper way. Formalities. Or we have to follow some rules. You can say that we have to follow some rules. Because this is formal is for our youngers. When you will speak with youngers, with your who are older than not that is who are older than you. Elders, not youngers, elders. With elders, bosses, or your teachers, you have to think that what in which way we will speak. And in case of informal, your youngers or your friends or your cousins or your brothers, sisters, that is your family members or friends or youngsters in case of informal. Is it clear? Is it clear? Huh. Now, here we have not to follow the rules. You can say in any way. Not necessary to follow the rules. Is it clear? If here you will follow the rules, that will not be good. Because with your nears and dears, you talk in informal way. Is it clear? Huh. That is very good. Huh. What you have to do when you will write the invitations, as you have seen the wedding cards. You have seen the wedding cards. Huh. You have seen the wedding cards. The way the wedding cards are sent, the same is the invitation. Mostly card. Mostly this wedding cards, they can be used for formal as well for informal. For formal as well as for, now you can say, sir, we are for formal and we are for informal. If you have a party where you will invite your nears and dears only, your relatives only, then you can say that it is informal. Is it clear? Where you will invite others also, your bosses, your teachers, strangers, then you have to make the use of the formal. Is it clear? Is it clear? In case of informal, as you write the messages, either WhatsApp or any this social media, directly we have decided that we will celebrate the party on this day. So come here. Otherwise, I will not talk with you. This is exception. That is informal. If you have to write it this informally, you will write first of all, dear sir, you have to write me. As you, sir, it is known to you that we are going, or our family is going to celebrate a party. Is it clear? So please come and attend that party. We will become happy if you will come. Then here, dear, you have to think that in which way we will write or we will speak. Is it clear? Yes, is it clear? Yes, number one. Number second, in case of, please listen this. In case of informal letters, in case of informal invitation, informal, you can write I or we, first person. I invite you. You can say yourself, I invite you to come my birthday party. Or we invite you to come our birthday party. But please remember, with formal invitation, don't write first person. Don't write I and we. There we have to write they. As if you have to think as if the card is inviting the person. Or in other words, you can say that, for example, you think that this invitation is written on behalf of you by somebody else. You have to keep in mind this. This invitation is written by somebody on your behalf. And he will say, they say you to come on their party, not on my or on our party. समझ आ रहा है? Is it clear? समझ आया? नहीं? Very good. I say that in case of informal invitations, we write I and we. I invite you. First person. We invite you. With formal, we write third person. They, he, she, it, they. She invites you. He invites you. They invite you. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? This is the format. For example, first of all, hosts. Who is hosting the party? Who is inviting you? Their name. That is the principal staff and students of Sacred Heart Convent School. That is their name. Or if it will be wedding, there you will write the name of the parents who are inviting. For example, Mr. and Miss Leela, Mr. and Miss Sheila. Is it clear? And of the annual function, if it will be annual function, there you can write annual function. If it may be the wedding, on the wedding of their son or on the wedding of their daughter, you can write like this. But it should be in one sentence, in lines. But there should not be the full stop. Is it clear? There should not be the full stop like this. And of the year, at time is compulsory. Because is it in the morning, is it in the evening, at what time you are going to give the party, time is compulsory. At which time you have to write at. Remember this. With time you have to write at preposition. At time, on with date you have to write on. On date. This in the venue where you are going to give. Where? And you will give. That is, this is host's name. This is name of the institution or name of the parents. Is it clear? Then occasion, then what is it? Is it annual function? Is it wedding party? Whatever may be. Date and venue. Then chief guests. If it will be the function, then there may be some chief guests also. Then this is necessary. Details of your address. RSVP means if you will accept our invitation, please reply us. Is it clear? Here we didn't write this and nobody gives a reply. There you will write the name who has sent and special instructions. For example, please use a mask or anything else. Please do this. Please come on the time. Is it clear? Is it clear? 1 second. One second. Now, if you have now replied. Now, if you have a reply, give the reply of the invitation. You can write your name, there you have, in case of invitation, the host has sent his name. Now, if you will accept, now you will, or reject it, then you have to reply. Then will you accept our invitation or not? You have to write first your name. Their address, phone number, others, and then subject your invitation letter, that the letter which she has written to you, and their friend, their cousin, their somebody. Then you will write that I am very glad that you have sent me the invitation, and I accept this. I will come on the proper day. If you will not accept it, if you have not to go there. But don't say directly him that I will not come there. I will not accept your invitation. No, first of all say that I am thankful of you that you have invited me. Even though if you have not accepted, I have urgent piece of work, so I can't attend. My health is not good. I have to appear in my examination. Even though that may not be reason, even though you have not good terms with him or her, that is, you have some type of call with him, but don't write that directly. That is not humans. And there you will write this. Is it clear? Any question? 1 second. 1 second. Any question? Any question? ताकि इसमें वायरस हो जाए। One second. हाँ, one second. For example, you may have that is book exhibition or something. You can write to somebody like this, huh? Or now I will say it really short because time is less. Please wait. Chalo, okay. This is not working properly today. This is birthday party, for example, card which you have already seen. This is cocktail party, that is some party which you are going to celebrate. You have to write the date. This is very short. Time, venue, these are necessary things. These are necessary things. These are necessary things which you have to write. 1 second. This is another birthday party card. This is another birthday party card. How to reply your invitation? I already told you. Accepting an invitation, that would be very nice. You will write like this: I would definitely join the party. That would be wonderful. I can assure you that I won't miss such a lovely party. That if you will accept the invitation. These are the replies which I already told you. Formal point is to remember. Accepting or declining. Follow a suitable formula. That is, you can use like this, which I already told you. That use a third person they instead of first person I and we to themselves. I already told you that with formal letters, don't write first person I and we. No signature at the end. There is no need of signature at the end. The address of the writer and the date written. I already told you that address and date is compulsory. Because they will come upon another date, before or after, that will create a mess. Is it clear? RSVP, which I already told you that reply, if they will come and they will write accepting with pleasure and declining with regrets. If you will accept it, you will say accept with pleasure. If you will not accept it, you can say decline is easy way. RSVP. RSVP, I told you, please reply. Please reply. You can say, I attend this, like this. This is not obvious. Once again, there may be something important. Okay, I think that this is section number 8. If anybody have any question? Anybody have any question? If you have any question, you can say. I think that this is section